Hi, welcome to Hari Technofacts YouTube channel. In this video, I can learn about ECU State Manager in AutoSAR. Here BSW stands for Basic Software, ECUM stands for ECU State Manager, BSWM stands for Base Software Mode Manager. Now we can see ECU State Manager where it is located in the AutoSAR layers. We already know AutoSAR has three layers. Those are application layer, RTE and base software. So again base software divided into three layers: service layer, ECUAL and MCAL layer. So here ECU State Manager is present in the service layer in the system stack. So here it is highlighted in the red color. So this is the ECU State Manager module. So this ECU State Manager is responsible for the initialization and deinitialization of entire ECU and is also responsible for the ECU startup sequence handling. So here these are the phases available in the ECU State Manager. So those are startup phase, run phase, sleep phase, shutdown phase and off phase. Now we can see what are the possible ECU state transactions. So once power supply is on, it can go to the startup phase, and from startup phase to the run phase, and from run phase it can go to the shutdown state or it can go to the sleep state. So from sleep state it should come out of the sleep state and it go to the wake up state, and from the wake up state it can again go to the run state. So here from the shutdown state, it can go to the ECU off state or it can go to again start of state. Now we can see detailed information about this each state. So once power supply is available, then ECU State Manager start of phase. So in this phase, it will start initializing the pre-OS initialization and post-OS initialization, and it is responsible for initializing the base software modules like Schedule Manager and Base Software Mode Manager. And once OS is started and initialization is done, then it can move to the startup phase to the run phase. So in this run state, it indicates that the application layer, BSW and RTE are initialized so that it can start functioning. So from this run state, when it goes to the sleep state, if the ECU is not doing any functionality, in that case, if you want to save power, then it move to the run state to the sleep state. So in this state, power supply is still on and there is no code execution. So if we need to come out of this sleep state, then we need to trigger a proper valid sequence of wake up. Once the wake up is reached, so then it will move from sleep state to the wake up state, and then again from wake up state to it will go to the run phase. So again from run phase, ECU can move to the shutdown state. So in this shutdown state, it will deinitialize all the BSW modules like Schedule Manager and off pre-OS and off post-OS deinitialization. If reset shutdown sequence is requested, then it is again moving from shutdown state to the start of state. And if there is no reset shutdown sequence, so then in this state, all the necessary information should be writing to the NVRAM. Once the information is writing to the NVRAM, then it can move from shutdown state to the ECU off state. So in this mode, the power down or power supply is off. If we are new to the AutoSAR, so here you can see notes. So these are already explained in the flowchart. That's all friends about this video. So in the next video we can see what are the stacks available in the base software. And thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe and share.